If I only had 5 minutes to exercise, this is exactly what I would do. We've already started. I want you to follow along with me. We're gonna start off with 1 minute of heel raises. This is gonna pump fluid back from your ankles, your feet, all the way back towards your heart. This is gonna help with swelling. This is gonna help with pain. It's just a great, easy move that you can do anytime, any place. So we're gonna do 1 minute, then we're gonna move on to some other exercises that are very important. So I know you have 5 minutes today. I want you to follow along. Rewind this video if you need to, okay? So we're doing 1 minute of heel raises. Again, getting that circulation going, really important if you have those swollen feet and ankles. Now you can do this any time of the day. You don't only have to do it for 1 minute. Really do what you can. All right, up next, we're going to do some knee extensions. So what I like to do is lean back on my chair, place my hands underneath my thighs for some leverage, and just slowly and controlled extending my leg upward, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Again, we're breathing. I like to inhale through my nose and exhale through my mouth, but you could also practice nose breathing all throughout. Again, this is going to mobilize our knees. It's also going to awaken our dormant quad muscles. So if we sit down a lot, this is going to wake them up, activate them, and they'll be ready for the day. So the first exercise helps with circulation, getting those feet and ankles and lower body legs ready for the day. And this is going to get us ready for moving. So walking around, walking upstairs, this is gonna prep you and help you get stronger for everyday life. Okay, up next, we're gonna work our hips, specifically our hip flexors. So sitting up nice and tall, we're going to lift our knee, hold for a split second, and slowly and controlled come back down, okay? So we're just gonna do that for 1 minute again, very important. And again, this is gonna help us move around with more confidence, more ease. And again, it's getting that blood flowing in our hip area, our hip flexors. And it's something that we do daily, right? We walk around. Sometimes we need to walk upstairs or just even walk up the curb or avoid little obstacles like me when I'm avoiding little toys all around the house. Being able to lift our foot off and getting that lift off, very important for safety and something we need to practice daily. All right, up next, we're gonna go towards the wall. Bear with me, camera shake. Okay, no problem. Here's the wall. We're going to do some wall push-ups, okay? So hands about shoulder height and shoulder width, and your feet are gonna be about a step or two away. The further you are, the more challenging, and we're going to bend our elbows. And again, in a controlled fashion, we're going to do some wall push-ups. This is targeting your shoulders, your triceps. These are your triceps. Your chest, of course, and your core. And this is just a great, gentle move that you can do that will strengthen your upper body overall. So, very important. If I only had 5 minutes, I would definitely include this in my little routine, okay? So again, if you have more time, you can do more rounds. And of course, there are other exercises that I would include, but today, these are the 5 best exercises that I wanted to show you. And the last but not least, we're gonna focus on our core by doing planks. Now you can do a forearm plank. Again, the further your feet are from the wall, the more challenging. So forearm plank, you can do this if you have weaker wrists. So you can hold a forearm plank. You can do a straight arm plank, just like that. And as you get better, you can do variations. So you can go for a long plank. Oof. You can go for a wide plank, just like that. You can do some dynamic plank taps, just like this. You can do Superman planks. So there's a wide variety of things that you can do, but you can stick to the basics. If you're a total beginner, remember, contract those abdominal muscles, keep that back straight, and that is it. That's your 5 minutes. You can do 1 round, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, but no matter what, anything is better than 0. You got this.